Cakewalk versus LMMS. Which free DAW wins? Choosing the right digital audio workstation can completely change how you create music without breaking the bank. We'll explore Cakewalk and LMMS, two powerful free DAWs with unique strengths and features. Cakewalk and LMMS are both free digital audio workstations designed for music production. Cakewalk is a professional-grade Windows-only DAW with advanced recording and editing, while LMMS is cross-platform, focusing on beat-making and electronic music creation. Cakewalk by BandLab is a full-featured digital audio workstation for Windows, offering a professional environment for recording, editing, mixing, and mastering. It supports unlimited audio, MIDI tracks, and a wide range of VST plugins. Cakewalk's interface is modeled after high-end DAWs, providing familiar tools like Pro Channel modules and advanced automation. The software excels in recording live instruments and vocals, making it suitable for musicians and producers who want studio-quality results without a price tag. Its integration with BandLab allows cloud collaboration and project sharing. However, Cakewalk requires a Windows system and a relatively powerful computer to run smoothly. Beginners might find its extensive features overwhelming, but intermediate to advanced users will appreciate the depth and flexibility. Ideal users include recording artists, bands, and producers looking for a professional, no-cost DAW with comprehensive audio capabilities. LMMS, or Linux Multimedia Studio, is a free, open-source DAW available on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. It focuses on electronic music production with a user-friendly interface and built-in synthesizers, samples, and beat bassline editors. LMMS supports MIDI sequencing and VST plugins, making it versatile for creating beats, loops, and synth-based tracks. It is lightweight and runs well on modest hardware, making it accessible for beginners and hobbyists. While LMMS lacks advanced audio recording features, it compensates with strong MIDI and sample manipulation tools. Its cross-platform availability makes it an excellent choice for users who want flexibility across operating systems. Limitations include less robust audio editing and mixing compared to Cakewalk, and a steeper learning curve for those new to DAWs. LMMS is ideal for electronic musicians, beat makers, and producers who prioritize MIDI composition and sample-based workflows over live recording. Cakewalk and LMMS serve different needs despite both being free. Cakewalk offers a professional recording and mixing environment perfect for live instrument tracking and complex audio projects, but it's Windows only and demands more system resources. LMMS shines in electronic music creation, offering cross-platform support and easy access to synthesizers and beat-making tools, though it lacks advanced audio recording and editing. For producers focused on live recording or mixing multi-track sessions, Cakewalk delivers a more complete solution. For electronic producers or those needing a lightweight, versatile DAW across platforms, LMMS is a better fit. Choosing between them depends on your workflow. Cakewalk for traditional studio-style production, LMMS for MIDI and sample-based electronic music. Choose Cakewalk if you want a professional, Windows-based DAW with comprehensive recording and mixing capabilities for serious music production. Opt for LMMS if you need a free cross-platform DAW focused on electronic music beats and MIDI composition. Both DAWs offer excellent value, so pick the one that matches your music style and production needs for the best creative experience.